Okay, 81. They want us to use square roots to find the solution. Okay, so A, x squared minus 81 equals 0. We're going to add 81 to each side, right? And we get x squared equals 81. So x equals plus or minus root 81. So x equals plus or minus 9. For B, I'll do it up here. We have x squared minus 37 equals 0. Same thing, we add 37 to both sides. And then we take the square root of both sides, and we get x equals plus or minus root 37. For C, x squared plus 49 equals 0. Subtract 49 from both sides, and we get x equals plus or minus root negative 49. Now, this is the only section in the entire book that we are going to leave it like that. Every other section other than 10.2.5 and on any test, we are never going to leave negative square roots. Never on a test, never on any other section in the book. This section in the book is just introducing you to the fact that there are negative square roots. They are irrational numbers. I'm sorry, they are non-real numbers, but we are only going to leave it like this in this section, never on a test, never in another section in Algebra 1. And for every other section and on any other test, we would write no solution. Okay, so D, let me make space. D, we have 2x squared plus 10 equals 0. I'm going to subtract 10, right? 2x squared equals 10, negative 10. I'm going to divide by 2. X squared equals negative 5. And take the square root. X equals plus or minus root negative 5. Again, only in this section, never on a test, never in any other section. We're only going to leave it this way here. Otherwise, no solution.